Display Management allows for you to wake up powered off devices over the network, also known as Wake on LAN. To power on your displays using Wake on LAN, you'll start by selecting the device. Once you've selected the device, you'll see on the right side the tab labeled Power. Then you'll see Wake on LAN. This will give you the ability to wake up devices that are broken up by filter, or you can add a single device ID. This single device ID is located in the top left-hand corner. Once you enter in the filter or the device ID, you can select Confirm, and it will now power on your displays using Wake on LAN.